In today's globalized world, translation has become a crucial aspect of businesses and individuals alike. Online translation has made it easier than ever for people to connect and communicate across borders and languages. However, it has also created an enormous opportunity for those who are looking to earn money through translation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced translator, there are several strategies you can employ to maximize your earning potential through online translation. Scope of online translation. Online translation offers endless possibilities for earning money, especially for those who are fluent in multiple languages. Some of the most in-demand languages for online translation include English, Spanish, French, German, Chinese, and Arabic. Industries such as e-commerce, marketing, legal, medical, and tourism require high-quality translations for their websites, product descriptions, legal documents, medical reports, and travel guides. Specific online platforms. There are numerous online platforms and websites that offer opportunities for online translation. Some of the most popular ones include Upwork, Fiverr, Translators Cafe, Prose, and 1 Hour Translation. These platforms allow you to showcase your skills and connect with clients from all over the world. They offer different payment models, such as hourly rates or fixed project fees, and provide a secure environment for both clients and translators. Building a portfolio and developing relevant skills. Building a portfolio is essential for establishing credibility and attracting clients. A portfolio showcases your previous translation work and demonstrates your expertise in specific industries or subjects. You can create a website or use platforms such as LinkedIn to showcase your work and expertise. Developing relevant skills, such as mastering translation tools and software, can significantly enhance your efficiency and quality of work. It is also crucial to stay updated with the latest industry trends and news. Marketing yourself as a professional translator. Marketing yourself as a professional translator can help you stand out from the competition and attract high-paying clients. It involves creating a personal brand, networking with potential clients and colleagues, and leveraging social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to build an online presence. By sharing your knowledge and insights, you can establish yourself as an industry expert and attract clients who value your expertise. Success stories and case studies. Several individuals have successfully made a living through online translation. For example, Maria, a Spanish translator, started her career on Upwork and now earns a six-figure income translating legal documents for clients from all over the world. Similarly, Ahmed, an Arabic translator, has built a successful business by specializing in medical translations and establishing relationships with clients who require regular translations. Earning money through online translation requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. By focusing on building a portfolio, developing relevant skills, and marketing yourself as a professional translator, you can establish a successful career in online translation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced translator, there are endless opportunities to leverage your language skills and create a sustainable income stream.